extroverts, neuroticism, ISTJ, we all know much about personality. But what if there's food personality as well? Think about it. Do you have that one friend who eats the same thing every day? Or a foodie friend who always uploads pictures of a new brunch place? In our research, we used a novel mixed method to construct a food personality framework. Different types of eaters and their motivations are discussed. Want to know more? Take a look at our paper or come to our talk.